Hello. Do you need anything?
Not yet. I'm waiting for my date. We have never met before.
Hi, I'm Julie. Are you Diego?
Hi, Julie. Yes, I'm Diego. It's nice to meet you, Julie.
It's nice to meet you, too.
You look great.
Thank you. You look nice, too. I like your jacket.
Thanks.
Hello, welcome. Can I get you anything to drink to start?
I'll have a glass of water with lemon, please.
Water for me, too, thank you.
Sure, I'll be right back.
So, Julie, tell me a little about yourself.
Well, I'm 26, and I'm a first-grade teacher at the Sunshine School in Claremont.
That's amazing. Teaching young kids must be fun, but also challenging.
Yes, they're so curious and full of energy. Just yesterday, one of my students told me he wants to be an astronaut so he can bring his dog to space.
That's adorable. I bet you have. So many funny stories from your class.
Oh, I do. What about you? What do you do?
I'm a lawyer. I work at a law firm here in San Diego. I help people with business contracts and legal advice.
That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I do. It can be stressful at times. But I like helping people solve problems.
Here are your waters. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Can we have a few more minutes?
Of course, take your time.
So, Diego, where are you from?
I'm from San Miguel de Allende, Mexico. It's a beautiful town with colorful buildings and cobblestone streets. I grew up there with my parents, 2 brothers, and a sister.
That sounds lovely. Do you visit often?
Yes, I try to visit at least once a year. My family is very close and I miss them a lot. What about you? Where are you from?
I'm from Phoenix, Arizona. It's a nice city, but very hot. I have one younger brother. My parents still live there, so I visit them on holidays.
That's great. Do you miss living in Arizona?
Sometimes, but I love San Diego. The weather here is perfect, and there's so much to do.
I agree. And the parks are incredible. Have you seen the dog parks here?
Yes, I go with my dog, Bella. She's a golden retriever.
Really? I have a dog too. His name is Max, and he's a German Shepherd.
That's so cool. We should bring our dogs to the park together someday.
I'd like that.
This menu looks great. Do you know what you're going to order?
I think I'll get the steak and potatoes. How about you?
I'll have the seafood salad. Do you like seafood?
Yes. But I'm more of a steak person. Are you allergic to any foods?
No, thankfully. What about you?
No. Luckily. But my poor sister can't eat eggs, milk, or nuts.
Oh no, poor girl.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the steak and potatoes.
And I'll have the seafood salad, please.
Great choice. I'll get that started for you.
So, what do you like to do for fun?
I love reading and watching movies.
Me too. What's your favorite book?
I really like The Martian Chronicles by Ray Bradbury.
No way. That's my favorite book too.
Really? That's awesome. What kind of movies do you like?
I love romantic comedies and Hallmark movies.
I'm not a big fan of Hallmark movies, but I love Christopher Guest films.
Me too. Waiting for Guffman is my favorite.
Same here. It's so funny.
I can't believe we have the same favorite movie and book.
It's a good sign, right?
Definitely.
Here you go. Salad over here. And steak over here. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This looks delicious.
It really does. So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Maybe I'll take Bella to the beach. How about you?
I might go hiking. I love exploring new trails.
That sounds fun. Maybe we could go together sometime.
I'd like that.
Wow, I'm so full. I don't think I can eat another bite.
Me neither. That was so good, though. The food here is amazing.
It really is. You picked a great restaurant.
Thank you, Yelp.
I love Yelp. It always helps so much when I'm choosing a place.
Same here. I don't know what I'd do without it.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Oh, no, thank you. We're too full.
Yes, just the check, please.
Of course, I'll bring it right away. Here's the check. Take your time.
Don't worry, I've got this.
Are you sure?
Absolutely. My treat.
Well, thank you. That's very sweet of you.
You're welcome. Maybe next time you can treat me to coffee?
Yes, I'd like that. I've really enjoyed tonight.
Me too. I'm so glad we met.
How about coffee on Saturday?
That sounds great. Let's text each other to make plans.
Perfect. Thanks for dinner. Good night. See you Saturday.
Bye. See you Saturday.